welcome to our video.
Today we are doing makeup.
Yes, today Nori is going to be doing my makeup, and
Now
we're just going to see what she's going to come up with.
Okay, make sure you subscribe, right?
Subscribe, yes. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel if you like what we're doing.
And Princess is here and we like her.
Yes, Princess is here. She's probably going to keep coming onto my lap. We'll see. Okay.
Okay, guys. Are you ready? They're ready, okay?
All right.
They're ready. Don't pick. I'm going to pick.
Just surprise me. I don't know what you're doing, but I trust you.
She put her arms for me. Oh, so sparkly. And now the other one is gonna be next. Whoa, that's so sparkly.
Oh.
I'm not hurting.
Oh wait, can you just go to the camera and make sure that you can see something? That my phone isn't off? It's going?
It's recording.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, make sure you get our channel. The Game Master is in here. And Marisol isn't here. And our channels.
Yeah, Marisol, my mother, had to step out for a little bit.
Okay. Oh.
How's it looking, guys?
How's it looking, guys? That was crazy. Sparkly. Alright, kids. I'm done. Kids, see on the channel. So, you know that person, this room? Okay, this channel. Okay, make a...
You could tell me out loud, I could take it out of the video.
I can be
You're gonna be what? Just say it out loud.
I can hear you.
Okay.
That goes there.
Whoa. No. Right. I mean, you're the makeup artist.
So pretty. Okay, guys. I'm gonna do is the one. I'm gonna do this.
Well, now it's closed again.
Okay, are you ready? Okay. Everything. Okay. Can I do this?
Sure.
Which is this? I don't know what this is gonna go.
You can do whatever.
What is one?
There's no rules in makeup, really. I mean, maybe a couple, but you can do whatever you want.
Oh, so pretty. Okay, guys, make sure you record.
Huh?
And there's a lot. And it's this.
Alright, let's close this one because you're done.
It's important. I'm not like somebody. I'm Miss Nori.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Shiny.
Okay. This one.
Sorry about that. We got interrupted. But
Okay, so
we're gonna continue.
Taking it back. I'm losing. I'm not a bug. And this everyone is here. And Marissa is not here.
Alright.
I'm just ready to pick the thing.
You ready to finish?
Yes.
You're...
Yeah, pretend I'm Jojo. See, I'm not.
Okay, that's fine. You could be Jojo Siwa.
Okay, I'm ready to Jojo Siwa. Okay, she has everything. The brushes.
So you gonna finish it off with lipstick?
Okay, yeah. Okay, lipstick is gonna be like this. Oh yeah. I'm not ready. Okay, my teeth are okay, Joseph.
I'm not Jojo Siwa, but don't get it on my
No.
teeth.
Okay.
Okay. Deep breath in. Okay.
Let me get into tea.
Girl, don't spit on me.
And why?
Oh no. What are you doing? I can feel that doesn't look right. Okay, I think that's enough. There's a lot on my lips. No, put it back in. So this is the final look. Let me show you guys. So I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you do like it, please like it and comment, subscribe, right?